multiple stream king, LeDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, okay? I want to do a real quick, proof type of deal / training type of deal / mindset type of video to really help you all in MCA, man, for those who get in and get out, okay? For those who just give up on themselves because they're not making a sale the first day, the first week, maybe even the first month. MCA, Motor Club of America, making sales takes consistency, okay? You're building a business, all right? And I want to show you proof. I have so many of these. I honestly have so many of these, but because this just happened, I want to shoot the video. I don't have time to go through the different messages of people who've actually went through this same exact method, okay? I mean, this same exact protocol I'm about to show you. You're going to be like, wow, okay? So look, yesterday was my birthday. As you can see, you see the date down here, March 28, 2018. I'm shooting this at 10:52. It's been a long day. Just got out of church, so I wanted to get home and shoot this video, okay? But look, this is one of my business partners. As you can see now, she's already branded, okay? She got the Paid in Full logo on her background now, right? But let me show you something. 4/28/14. Okay, I would like to get more details. This is an old website that I don't even use anymore, okay? Hello, Tasha, visit www.startnoweasymoney.com. When I first got the MCA, that's what I was promoting, okay? But as you can see, let's just send this long, man. We've gotten so much better since then, man. But this was a little long list that we used to send, okay? But she said, okay, thanks. She never got involved, okay? I followed up, still nothing, okay? Boom. Just want to go here. 2017, okay? I run different posts, okay? I have several different methods and strategies on Facebook, okay, to drive traffic. And when they ask for information, I inbox them, okay? We're good at piquing interest on my team. That's what I teach people on my team, is to learn how to pique interest, okay? Well, you have people hunting you down versus you chasing people, okay? This is not a message with me just hitting her up out of the blue and say, hey, Tasha, visit my website. No, she asked for information, and I told her, okay, I'll check your inbox. I'm messaging you now, right? And so I sent her a message after she clicked on one of my strategies, okay? Sent it to her, 2/21/2017. She said, okay. Again, she asked again, can you send me the info on how to get started? 8/14/2017. Okay, I sent it to her again. At first, we was only using one website, me and my wife, right? But now Profitable Benefits is hers, and I have my own link. They all go to the same because me and my wife were married, right? So when you hit checkout, you're gonna see my wife's name at the top, Shakir Wills. But we both have our own individual websites that link to the same place. So I sent to my website this time. Yes, ma'am. Go to www.paidinfull.biz. Okay, both are the same. Really doesn't matter. She said, okay. Nothing happened. Okay, so I sent her a little follow-up voice message. The voice message, you guys, is very powerful when you're following up with your prospects. Okay, sent her the link. Tuesday, 9:48 p.m. What's today? Today is March 28th. Today is Wednesday. This was back in November 2015. I'm sorry, November 15, 2017 when I sent her this. She hit me up out the blue. I just did my membership. Okay. I just did my membership. Now, mind you guys, this is way back in 2014. She just signed up yesterday, March 27th, on my birthday. And I'm going to tell you what. She actually told me happy birthday, and I replied and said thank you. And then it must have dawned on her, I remember this guy, okay, because I don't know her. Okay, she's met me through Facebook. Okay, and now we're business partners, now we're connected, now we're building a strong relationship. But after I said thank you, I mean, it was like 10 minutes later, I was getting a message from her. You see, 9:48 in the morning, I was responding to my my Facebook messages, my birthday request, and she said I just did my membership, right? And look what I said. Hey, Tasha, it's been a long time coming. I'm excited to partner with you. I'm about to add you to our private Facebook training group now. MCA takes consistency, you guys. It takes consistency. I'm not telling you that every sale is gonna take 2-3 years for you to get a sale, 4 years to get a sale. Absolutely not. Okay, I have people that hit me up the same day, okay, and they join. I have people who hit me up. I may talk to them today, okay, prospect them today, send them information today, and they join at the end of the week because they get paid, or maybe they get paid at the end of next week. It's all on your follow-ups, okay? But it's all about consistency, and it's all about building a large pipeline of leads. See, I would have to hound her and sweat her, like, why haven't you joined me yet? Okay, that look, I'm coming off as I'm begging. So I send you the information. I sent her a nice little voice recording, okay, just touching base, following up with her, and kind of letting her know, hey, the opportunity is still out there. Okay, if it's something you really want to do, if you're serious about making some extra money, if you really, really need some extra money, the door is still open, okay? But if not, we're going to keep moving. We're going to continue to make money. Now, my consistency on my wall, I'm pretty sure she's been following me. Like, man, this guy is still at it. It takes consistency. You got to be consistent on your posts, okay? You got to be consistent with your follow-up. And you just got to be consistent. Don't worry about the sale right away. It's going to come, okay? If you build it, they will come. Now she has the PNF logo on her background. She's following my training. She's branding herself, and she's about to get the ball rolling. She's fired up and excited. I already have people waiting, ready to get sales. She got a website from me the same day. Personally branded website. She's ready to roll. That's how it's done, okay? I get sales every single week, okay? Literally every single day. Why? Because I am constantly marketing, okay? I'm staying consistent, and I'm filling my pipeline with leads, and more leads. Someone asked me, what traffic source are you using? I'm using the best traffic source of all. Free organic traffic. Guys, you might not want to put that work in like I do though. See, I'm putting that work in. I'm staying consistent and I'm omnipresent, meaning I'm everywhere. Okay, I'm not just on YouTube. Okay, I'm not just on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Snapchat. I'm on all the social media sites promoting, marketing, and just staying consistent. People say, are you doing offline? I'm not offline yet, but I'm on my way to. Okay, I got some things coming and I'm really about to get strong and go with it offline. But guys, this is it. This is it. I'm just staying consistent. Okay, I'm in love with what I do. You got to fall in love with it first. Okay, I ain't gonna say you got to fall in love with it first. You got to want it first. All right, you got to. I'll take that back about you have to fall in love with it first. You just got to want it bad enough. Okay, you got to want it bad enough. You want your job bad enough because you want to pay those bills. You don't want to get up in the morning, right? You don't love getting up in the morning, but you do what you got to do. So in your business, you do what you got to do to build it how you want it to, how you want to see it come, okay? You want to see sales coming, flowing back and forth every single day while you sleep. You got to put the work in. Put the work in now, okay? Put the work in now. Put the work in now, and they will come, okay? Do it the right way. Give it the right team, okay? Some of you all are on teams right now, and you're not promoting or marketing the right way. You feel like you're not getting enough training. Listen, I do provide training. There's a small investment to join my team. Okay, I have tons of MCA associates with other sponsors who've joined my team now making money. Okay, but it was an investment. So please don't email me saying, hey, is it free? Can you just give it to me? I'm sorry, I cannot. Okay, I put in the blood, sweat, and tears. As you can see, I've been at this since 2014. I actually started late 2013. Okay, we just didn't stop. It's a $19.95 a month membership. Like, why would you stop? It's $19.95 a month. It's only $40 to get started. If you build it, they will come. Now I'm full-time from home. Been full-time for the past 2 years. Okay, fired my boss December 26, 2015. I'm married with 6 kids. Me and my wife do this full-time from home. We don't have another job. Our income comes from the internet. Okay, marketing, partnering with these multi-million-dollar companies. Okay, and advertising and marketing their product by branding ourselves and sharing the product that we use and love. Okay, that's it. That's it. Fall in love with your product now. I do want to say that I love the MCA product. I've had to use it several times, okay, throughout these years. Not just consistently every other week. No, but I've had to use the services throughout the years because things happen. So you never know when you're going to need roadside assistance, man. So this is the #1 product in the world. So at the end of the day, it's something you need. So it shouldn't be a membership that you're quitting, okay? You need the membership. So you want to make sure that you keep the benefits. And then in the meantime, build this business. Stop waiting. Why are you wanting it to happen overnight? Okay? I understand that, but don't let that, if it don't happen overnight, I'm going to quit. We all got in this thing like, man, I'm going to kill it, man. Sales for the come, but when it don't, you don't tuck your tail. You figure some stuff out. You analyze yourself. You see what you're doing every day. You see what the other leaders are doing. Okay, and you duplicate it. Okay, and you do it more. You wake up earlier. You stay up later. You stay in the gym, okay? If Steph Curry making a 500 shots a night before he go to sleep, then I'm gonna try to make 600 a night before I go to sleep. We got to get ahead, okay? You got to do more than what the leaders are doing, man. If you want to catch them, they have the consistency, man, and they have the portfolio. You can see, okay, Yeah, they doing this and they doing that, but y'all don't understand what they did to get where they are. Okay. I think Drake or somebody said you wasn't with me shooting in the gym. Like you looking at you seeing my success now and feel like, oh, this was done overnight. No, you wasn't with me shooting in the gym. I was in the gym hours, putting in work. So I make it look easy. Well, who was it? Michael Jordan said, I'm sorry. All right, that I made it look easy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I made you feel that I make what I do look easy to you. He put in work. Put in the work. Stay consistent. Do not quit, man. I hope this video inspires someone. Like I said, I didn't have time to just go through all my different messages of different people who've joined throughout the years. Okay, like people who joined 2-3 years later. Like it happens. I had another young lady a couple weeks ago join me, and she seen this opportunity 2 years ago. Like so, it is what it is. Some people a year ago. I'm just staying consistent. I'm not quitting. Okay. Don't quit, man. Stay consistent. You want MCA says it takes consistency. All right, man. This your boy Ladarius Williams, the multiple stream king, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family, and on my team. Everybody eats. If you're looking at this for the first time, all right, and you say you want to get involved with this opportunity, but you're just looking to see who you need to get involved with, I'm the man for you, man. Fully loaded training website. You also be added to my private Facebook training group. There you will receive additional live training and support, and I give you the same blueprint that I've been using for years to make money that we're making. Okay, how I was able to fire my boss. Hopefully, I can help you fire yours too, man. I'll see y'all on the next video. It's your boy.